Looking at the verb eŭcharisteω, how do we form the aorist passive subjunctive third person singular? Well, again, we start with the root, euchariste, and then to the root, we're going to be adding the tense formative. Now, this is a first aorist passive subjunctive, and so the tense formative is theta. So euchariste, the root plus the tense formative theta. And then we need to add the connecting vowel, which for the subjunctive is eta. So we've got the root, tense formative theta, connecting vowel, eta. And then we want to add the third person singular primary active ending, which is iota. So root plus the tense formative plus the connecting vowel plus the third person singular primary active ending. Now, there's a few changes that are going to happen here. First of all, this particular verb lengthens its final root vowel, or what I've called the contract vowel here. The epsilon lengthens to form an eta before the tense formative. In addition to that lengthening, the iota subscripts underneath the eta at the end, because eta is a long vowel. We have two vowels next to each other, so they will contract, or in essence form an improper diphthong or an iota subscript. And once we have all of our parts, they just fit together nicely, forming our aorist passive subjunctive third person singular. So just looking at this again, we have the root euchariste. The epsilon changes to an eta because of the tense formative straight after it. Then we have the tense formative. Then we have the eta connecting vowel. And then we had the iota at the end, indicating that it was a third person singular. The iota subscripts onto the eta. Hence we have an iota subscripted onto the eta at the end to indicate that we are a third person singular. Okay, let's have a look at where this occurs. We have 2 Corinthians 1:11, and we see the form there, eucharisteithe, and the ESV translates this as will give thanks. So eucharisteithe translated as will give thanks. And if we go back to just see how this is formed one last time. Again, we have the root. The vowel at the end of the root lengthens before the tense formative. Then the connecting vowel is added, which is an eta. And then we have the ending iota, and that subscripts onto the eta.